I'm Daisuke Asari, CEO of Atomis. Atomis is a startup company oriented from Kyoto University. So I'm sorry. We are focusing on the new materials. The name is MOF, Metal Organic Framework. It consists of metal ions and organic ligands that makes porous. So the three-dimensional porous we can design. So the material is MOF. So we have two kinds of core competency. First one is a material design. We have the big database, so that the name is Porous. The Porous contains the 120,000 species of porous materials, and we utilize this database, and we find out the appropriate structures for customer needs, so that we prepare the efficient material design via big data approaches. The second core competency is manufacturing process. We prepare the very eco-friendly and cost-friendly manufacturing process. Existing process is a solution-based synthesis, so it needs much amount of organic solvents, and uh, it costs much money. But the our solid and semi-solid synthesis doesn't need a much amount of organic solvents, and the synthesis condition is ambient condition, so it very climate and cost-friendly manufacturing process. So 2 years ago, we moved to Kobe City from Kyoto, as we established new facilities. So now we possess its own production plant for PCB molds. And we have two kinds of business portfolio. First one is a material business. It is B2B business. So that we design these materials by using computer chemistry, so that we design the structures and the evaluation and manufacturing of these materials. So now we are getting revenues from this material business. And since our foundation, we set up the social issues related business. It calls impact business. Today, I would like to explain the DGRU project. DGRU means the distributed gas resources utilization. As you know, so the typical gas cylinder is very big and very heavy and manually management. So we are developing the new type of gas cylinders. The name is CubiTan. It is very lightweight and very small, and IoT module attached to the gas cylinder. So we can remotely this gas cylinders location and gas amount. So this, yeah, so the yeah, this system consists of many devices. So the in user case and the delivery case, so we develop the charging repeaters or other repeaters. So the Cubitan links to the repeaters, and the information is sent to the integrated system, QubiLoop. So we can remotely manage the Cubitan, so the gas distribution. So we would like to so not selling the products, but selling the services by using IoT data. So now we signed MOU with Indonesian government, and we carried out a demonstration test in Indonesia. Target gas is the natural gas and the biogas. Yeah, so the biogas potential in Asian countries. Yeah, so now, yeah, here and the smart gas network we would like to realize. Yeah, so we plan to begin Series D funding in January 2026. So if you are interested, please contact us below. Thank you.